Hey there friends, today we're celebrating some amazing holidays that fall on May 1st. May 1st is a significant day in many cultures and countries around the world. So, let's dive in and explore the different celebrations that take place on May 1st. First up, it's International Workers' Day, also known as May Day. It's a day to recognize and honor the contributions of workers all over the world. So, if you're working hard today, take a moment to pat yourself on the back. Next, it's Save the Rhino Day. These magnificent creatures are in danger, and it's up to all of us to help protect them. If you're interested in learning more about rhino conservation, I've included some links in the description below. Next on the list, we have is National Mother Goose Day. Who doesn't love those classic nursery rhymes that we all grew up with? Today's the day to read some of your favorites or introduce them to a new generation. Moving on. Did you know today is also known for National Purebred Dog Day? A day to celebrate the diversity of dog breeds and the people who love them. If you're a dog owner, give your furry friend an extra cuddle today. And last but not least, it's International Doodle Dog Day. These lovable pups have become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's no surprise why. With their unique looks and playful personalities, they're sure to bring a smile to your face. So there you have it, friends. 5 amazing holidays to celebrate on May 1st. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to come back for more fun videos like this one. Thanks for watching.